Welcome to the technician side of the ServiceJan platform. When you log in, your dashboard shows your assigned work orders, scheduled appointments, pending jobs, and any tasks requiring attention. If you're part of a multi-technician team, shared assignments will also appear here. You'll see notifications for unread messages via the bell icon in the top right corner. Clicking it shows which work orders contain new messages and lets you open them directly. You can read, reply, and mark messages as read. Communications are also often sent by email and stored in the work order history for reference. If a route has been created for your appointments, you'll receive a notification. Routes can be created by dispatch, management, or yourself, and they allow you to view your full schedule in one place, including departure times, travel distances, estimated arrival times, directions, and appointment details. You can also launch navigation directly from the portal without manually entering addresses. Within ServiceJan, there are three main types of work orders. The first is a private customer job, where the person requesting service is also the one paying. These tickets show private customer pay in the account section, along with customer details, and payment is typically collected directly from the customer. You can view and update appointment times, check job status such as assigned, scheduled, or completed, and communicate directly through the ticket with the office or customer. The Issues section is especially important as it contains the reason for the service, customer concerns, and job instructions, and should always be reviewed before starting work. You may also see reference numbers, internal notes, service types, and special instructions throughout the ticket. In the Report section, you document everything you've done, including findings, repairs, recommendations, and payment details. The AI Improved Text feature can help format or polish your notes. It's also important to record how payment was collected. Customers can sign electronically from any device for verification, warranty, or payment confirmation purposes. Payments can be processed through credit card, ACH, e-check, or other approved methods, while paper checks can be documented with images. You can also upload photos, videos, documents, and audio files, and organize them as before or after work, with built-in tools to annotate and label images for clarity. All contact attempts like calls, texts, emails, and voicemails can be logged in the Attempts to Contact section. Once everything is complete, you click Save as Completed to notify the office that the job is ready for processing, invoicing, or review. The second type is account work orders, where a business such as a retailer, manufacturer, warranty company, or insurer is paying for service on behalf of a customer. These tickets include account-specific instructions, billing details, and procedures. In these cases, the account is often considered your customer, and approvals or changes may need to go through them rather than the end customer receiving the service. After completing the job, you submit your report and documentation and save it as completed in the same way. The third type is private third-party pay work orders, where one party pays for service provided to another without a formal account relationship. These tickets clearly show both the payer and the service recipient, and may include deposits, visit fees, authorizations, and payment notes that should always be reviewed carefully. The workflow otherwise remains the same. If you are a self-scheduling technician, you can update appointments, contact attempts, and customer details directly inside the ticket. You can also use the Duplicate as Private option to create a separate work order when a customer requests additional or unrelated work, keeping everything organized under a new ticket. In the main menu, Routes and AI Planning helps you optimize travel and scheduling, while Schedule and Calendar lets you manage availability, time off, and service areas. Payroll gives you access to earnings, commissions, bonuses, and performance metrics, including turnaround time, which measures how quickly you complete reports and communications after jobs. Requirements and CO stores certifications and compliance documents. Instructions and documents contains procedures and training materials. Inventory and supplies tracks parts. And reviews and feedback lets you manage customer ratings. The ServiceJan Marketplace allows customers to submit service requests directly through the app, and based on your performance, availability, and coverage area, you may receive additional job opportunities. The ServiceJan Technician Portal brings all of this together: work orders, scheduling, routing, communication, reporting, payroll, and performance into one streamlined system designed to help you work faster and more efficiently.